Hi, this video is just to help you out in placing accidentals in the right spot. Often students will be careless with accidentals. Like if they want an A sharp, they'll put an A and then they'll do something like that, which would be something like that. It would be wrong. So remember that an accidental goes directly to the left of the note it modifies in the same space or on the same line. So for example, in this A sharp harmonic minor scale, everything's sharp except the G, which would be double sharp. So let's say you're starting with A sharp, you have the note head. Then to put the sharp correctly, you put these two lines, and then you take the two horizontal lines and you put them such that the middle of the sharp sign is in the same space of the note. It's not above it, it's not below it, there's no ambiguity. Then when you get to a note that's on a line, you carefully put the first two lines, and then the diagonal lines are really what place it. So the diagonal lines need to be placed such that one is below the line and one is above the line. Now there's no doubt at all that this is an A sharp and this is a B sharp. Okay, when you get up to the double sharp, same thing holds true. So these would all be sharp. Then the G double sharp, the X would go right there. Okay, same with flats. When you're doing a B flat natural minor scale, we've got lots of flats. So the first note would be a B flat. So the note's on the line. So the flat, this little bubble of the flat needs the line going right through the center of it. Okay, we'd have a C natural. Then D flat would be on a line, same thing. Now check it out, we have a space coming up. So hopefully you leave ample note space between your note heads so you're not crowded. So when you write the flat in the space, first you put the line, then you put the bubble of the flat such that it doesn't cross the line below it, it doesn't cross the line above it, it's directly in the space. Okay, when you're writing triads, for example, in this part of your exam, you're given the root, you're asked to write a major triad. So of course you write the third and the fifth. If you want to do the whole thing, to make sure you don't make a mistake, you put your formula on the side. So that's 4 half steps and 3 half steps. You look from F sharp on your keyboard. You go up 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Black step could be A sharp or B flat. We already wrote an A, so we write an A sharp. Now, beginning students tend to want to put sharps one on top of the other, which makes it difficult to read. What we actually do is we stagger them. So since this sharp is close to the F, you'd write this sharp just slightly to the left, like this. And then from A sharp, we need to go up 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, C sharp. And then for this sharp, you go back closer to the note head. So now it's nice and easy to read. What's not good is if you do this, which most of you did on your homework. Okay, I won't take off points, but if it gets to the point I can't read it, you may lose points. So make sure to stagger them. The same is true for flats. Here you have the third of a minor triad, so a C flat. So I'll write the root and I'll write the fifth. The formula for minor third on the bottom, major third on the top. So that's 3 half steps, 4 half steps. Remember, when you're given the third, you work from the middle down, then from the middle up. So you'd find C flat on your keyboard, which is the same as B. Go down 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, A flat. Now again, the C flat is close to the note head, so write the A flat in the same space as the A, but a little bit to the left. The C flat's close to the note head. I'm gonna go back to the keyboard. Here's C flat. We need to go 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. D sharp or E flat. We've already written an E, so we're going to write an E flat. So again, we're going to stagger them. So this is to the left of the note. This is close to the note. This is to the left of the note in the same space. So now it's easy to read. So the root is A flat. And of course, the symbol for minor is a lowercase m. Thank you. I hope this helps.